Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited number of videos for free. Yes, you heard me. Unlimited number of video for free. Now, how do you do this? All right, it's simple. I want you to go to Google and type Opal type opal.google AI. Yeah, this is opal.google AI. Yeah, Opal is actually an open source, right, that allows you generate AI videos for free. All right. And the good thing is that you can actually build your own app in Opal or use other people's app, right, to generate whatever AI video you want to generate. Now, because I have actually signed up with Opera, that's why I'm saying sign in. But if you have not signed up, right, it will show you try Opera downward, something like this here, try Opera. Yeah, you come here and try it. Then you can just sign in or sign up with your email. Continue. Now, this is actually the interface of what Opal look like, right? Yeah, you have something like a built-in template. These are actually built by people like you and I, or will I say Opal teams, right? You can come and click on anyone you want to and use it. This is not our own this in app. You can come here and create an app. Now, once you come on that create, right, it's either four things. It's either user input, like you want to create an app, or you want to input something, or you just want to go ahead and generate something, or an output, or you want to add asset, asset like your images, voiceover, and the rest of them. But we want to create an app. Describe what you want to build. Please just copy. Please check my YouTube description for this prompt. Just copy and come here and paste. Right? You can always delete or change your name. But please, apart from the name, right? Don't touch any other thing because these prompts are well built. Alright, they are well built. So if you change anything, you could actually change how it might actually change your output. You might end up not getting anything. Just like so, we're actually building our own app. This would actually take some time. Once the app comes up, we can start using it to generate videos. Wow, this is our app. All right, this is our app. Come here. Let's just click on this app. Let's just be on this app. This is our app. Transform your static image to captivating, high quality cinematic animated video effortlessly. This is our app for actually transforming static image, all right, to animated videos. Hope you can see it's actually generated your video. It's just that simple. This is just look at the wonders of Opera. Just look at it.
It's just, come on, this is beautiful. Please do well to subscribe on my YouTube channel. All right, if you want to get the prompts, all right, subscribe and follow me for more tips like this.